Hi, I'm Ms. Schaller, and I'm coming to you from our school garden, as you can probably tell, and I'm here to personally invite you and your parents to open house tonight. We're really excited to meet you, and open house will be from 7 to 8:30. Dr. Contat, our principal, has emailed your parents the link to get into each one of your classes to meet your teachers, and your parents and you will follow your schedule. Meetings will be very short, just 8 minutes each. Teachers get a chance to say hi to you. You get to see what they look like without a face mask on, because of course when we're in the building, we have to always wear the face mask. So I really look forward to seeing you. I will be coming to you tonight from my home garden, and let's get together and see what a virtual open house is like, something none of us have ever done before. So we'll see you tonight. Bye.